Not many times have I ever broken down Sabrina Wallace to layman's terms, but I feel like now is the time, since we all have AI in our phones given to us for free. Which, if you've been watching Sabrina Wallace, she states its general purpose on why we have AI without stating its general purpose, which I think she's done so eloquently. Perfect. But you might have to review this again and piece it together. When 80% of your immune system is your biofield, and you attach the whole body area network to that, which is the W band, and you can send frequency or signals to decouple or change your cellular structure or remote view or control you, tell me again why everyone has been given AI for free. Watch this video real quick, or a piece of a video that I believe you need to connect the dots. Y'all also remember when she talks about us being in these neomorphic chips, or that's where they're siphoning our something. I'm not going to say, but you'll hear her say it. They're siphoning things out of us and created AI from it. I want you to think on, why do we have these data centers? What are the purpose of these massive data centers? You really think it's for you to be able to paint pictures and make your loved ones talk that are deceased? Really? That are super cold and killing our water to make it undrinkable? Like we won't need to drink it because we'll be... Watch the video.
Material physics. You think people are going to burn in fire and brimstone, and this is the part of things you can take it or leave it. But what I saw was that people go into a neuromorphic chipset. It's a plasmonic architecture underground. And that makes sense to me because that's one of the reasons so many people throw in with this system that recycles itself. It's not some big secret. These are jobs. So the wireless body area network, you're sitting there, they fly over, you get radiated, you start having psionic abilities, and they continue to perturbate your biofield. They watch your dreams, they record your dreams, and they record everything you're thinking in real time to databases that are using the ubiquitous and the ambient air molecules all around you. Again, well-minded, or I should say healthy people, they're like, that's way too much micromanagement. Yeah, but if you didn't have a body, and you had no way to have a body, and you're running the world and you're obsessed with control, okay? The next thing is, if you get a little too radiated and your bionomics, your bioinformatics fall out of place, or you fall into a liminal space, we can then morph you again with genomics and morphology, transhumanism, full on.
And remember I told you in between my sleep I'm hearing my name called? The psychic abilities? Now, how do they radiate you, right? Because you heard her say that. They radiate you to stop you from your psychic abilities happening, and I'm having my voice called out to me, and I should shut up about that, period. How do they radiate you? You guys remember all those drones and these UAPs they speak of, and they're telling you about these aliens, and you understand it now. That ties in with this, with these congressional hearings. I'm not here to tell you what to believe. I'm not here to tell you anything to scare you or put fear in you. But I'm not saying this is true. I'm just saying, if you ever listen to this woman, right? And when you first start listening to her, you're not really understanding what the fuck she's saying at all. You don't. You can't make it make sense at all. Because you don't care. But if you actually shut the fuck up, sit down, dissect, digest what she's saying, and make it make sense to you in layman's terms, you know exactly what the fuck she's saying. And I can't even say on here what the fuck she's saying. And you know why? And I'm even a little scared that this video will still get taken down. And I'm not saying nothing. And that's saying something. This is for educational purposes and entertainment. And it's a satire. And none of this is real. I'm just here for your entertainment. But I have to say this. There will come a time where when all of us die, being born will not be an option. You sit on that. And what's the intention on that? Now you understand why I say we're fighting for our children? Wake the fuck up.